Get a feel for the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid. Satisfy your desire for adventure in comfort and style in this highly efficient CR-V Hybrid. You'll love its distinctive minimalist layout, spacious cabin equipped with an impressive suite of desirable infotainment tech, and its generous array of standard driver assist safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera. Get more out of every journey in this thoughtfully designed CR-V Hybrid. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.